Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change brakes on a Chevy Colorado. First, gather all your necessary tools, including a reliable jack, sturdy jack stands, and a lug wrench. Make sure you have your new brake pads, rotors, and fresh brake fluid ready. Park your truck on a flat, stable surface and firmly engage the parking brake. Then, slightly loosen the lug nuts on the wheel you'll be working on first. With the vehicle safely lifted and secured on jack stands, you can now remove the wheel completely. Next, locate and unbolt the two caliper guide pins. Gently slide the entire caliper assembly off the rotor and hang it securely using a bungee cord or wire, avoiding strain on the brake hose. Finally, remove the old brake pads from the caliper bracket and then slide the worn rotor off the wheel hub. Now it's time to install your new components. Begin by thoroughly cleaning the wheel hub surface with a wire brush to ensure a smooth fit. Carefully place the new rotor onto the hub. Next, insert the new brake pads into the caliper bracket. Before reinstalling the caliper, you'll need to compress the caliper piston back into its bore using a C-clamp or a dedicated piston compression tool. With the piston compressed, carefully slide the caliper back over the new pads and rotor. Reinstall and tighten the caliper guide pins to the manufacturer's specified torque. Mount the wheel back onto the vehicle, hand tightening the lug nuts. Once the vehicle is lowered, fully tighten the lug nuts in a star pattern. Finally, pump the brake pedal several times to restore brake pressure before driving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.